Hello. In order to make you familiar with our line item table functions, I will do a video series, and this is the first video. So let's start with a new process, and let's name it line item table functions. All right, so let's drag and drop a manually starting tool, and let's name the description as line item table. And then I'll just drag and drop a task form, and I will develop a data element called sales, for example, but the element type will be line item table. So I go to line item table, I double click on the sales table, and I start editing the table. Let's start the names with the first column is company, second column is date, and the type will be date format. Another column can be name, and another column product, one more quantity, customer, city, and maybe one more country. All right, so the date will be date format, product, quantity will be numeric, customer, city, country. So this is my table. I say okay. These will be the name of the columns in the line item table. And I go to my task form, and I just want to show the sales table, and I just connect these two tools, and I save the process. Once I save it, it's with the red flag, and in order to activate it, I right click and activate it. So it means it is an active task, and I can just display at the user interface. So let's go to our user interface. Let's just refresh our page, and let's see our process line item table, and let's start the process. And this is the line item table, the table that I developed, and I also have here an Excel file like this. I just developed it before. So the company, date, name, product, quantity, customer name, city, and the country. So I just take this line item table Excel file, I drag and drop, and you see here by dragging and dropping, I just get the Excel file information at my line item table. So this is the first function of line item table in eFlow.